No sound on Windows 11? Try this quick fix. Right-click the speaker icon on the bottom right of your taskbar. Open Sound Settings. Make sure the volume slider is turned up and not muted first. Then, depending on your setup, you may have a headset or speakers plugged in. Double check you have the correct output device selected and test again. If that doesn't fix the issue, then try this. Your background audio services may have stalled. Restarting them will usually fix the problem. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Audio. Right-click it and select Restart. If it is stopped, click Start. Repeat this for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder and Remote Procedure Call. Your audio should come back on. If not, then try restarting the PC and retesting.